Good morning. Happy day 135 day trading the stock market. Opened with a small cash account. I'm in a new location today. This is the actual office, not the home office, the actual office. I'm actually on my traveling trading station because I didn't bring my other computer on accident, so I left that at home. So I got to bring that and get that set up. But we got EEIQ. We got ELAB, none of which have great news. ELIB's news, got an adjusted price. No, they have no news. There is no news there. Hey, SPY hit all-time highs yesterday. That's the bell. Missed the bell somehow. Let's see here. Welcome to the big show. I think I fixed it. Fixed it. All right. See what we got going on. EEIQ. We got 145. Possible issue at 150. Kind of like this setup though. I got my 5-minute, my daily, my monthly, and then my 1 minute here. This is nice. This is nice. Very nice. Ooh, EIQ. 152, topped out at 155. 150 Tyson. Dailies on the yearly is fine. Monthly. This computer's kind of slow though. I don't have direct access today to internet like I usually do. I usually have a plug-in. I'm usually plugged in to internet. Not today though. I'll fix that for Monday. EEIQ, what do you got here? Ooh, I was looking for a lower band on ELAB, but no love there. No love to the lower band. 2, 1, new minute. Okay. Fumbling around with my mouse clicks over here. $56 EEIQ. Coming up, approaching the... Dude, this computer was so slow. Alright, let's just focus on the trades. We're coming up, we're approaching on a moving average right under one, right around 160 here for EEIQ. So let's see what happens there. Usually I don't have this computer running all my normal windows, so it's fighting for its life right now. Okay. Very nice lower band bounce there. ELAB. Bands and make a hold up. Dance, roll up. All right. ELAB, you gonna try to send this flying? It's a pre-market high on the lab, 294. Yo, what a move. What a move from lower band to VWAP in one candle. Sheesh. It's amazing what like a $1,300 computer does compared to like a $500 computer. ELAB on the VWAP break. Baby, talk about the money shot there for that lower band bounce. All right, we got a little bit of a flag formation happening over here. Remember, this is close to like that moving average. 3, ELAB through 3. ELAB, what are your dailies, homie? Your dailies look absolute. Ooh, VWAP, where are you? Where are you, mouse? Where's the mouse? See if it false halts. EEIQ. Might be locking in. Might be locking in. Locked in. That's a bummer. Locked in on the halt down. Thought that one was looking sexier than ELAB, but now we got ELAB. All right, EMA is crossing VWAP. We're on the turquoise front side, so I need to be looking for entries here. 308. New all-time high for the market today. There's cruise through 308. Ooh, then back to down to 3. 303. They're back through 308. That is the type of breakouts we've been seeing, though. I think I mentioned it yesterday on the video. Those are the exact type of breakouts we've been seeing. Breaks out and it comes back and it shakes a bunch of people out. It might eventually go, and then it might fall, so you never really know. No breakout has been too easy, I would say. It's a bounce off the pre-market high right there. Let's see if 3 holds. Here's 3. It looks like Schwab is lagging, or at least a few minutes ago, Schwab seems to be lagging a little bit behind this level too. Just a hair, though. Which might make the 1 minute to make a new high be a little bit more difficult, but let's see what. 3, 2, 1, new minute. 1 minute to make a new high. Attempt. Good trade. Baby, you light up my world like nobody. MODV, 50%, penny stock. Under VWAP, let's flip the scans real quick. XPON again, huh? 17%. Under VWAP. Let's go back to EEIQ though. I don't think that one's done quite yet. That's not done quite yet. That story is not over. And she's got base if she clears too. So EEIQ, let's wait to see what's going on with that. Welcome to the big show. Let me say ayo, ayo. Folks, friends, haters. All right, we're still front side here. All right, is he going to crack 320? Oh, tough trading there. People get caught in them upper wicks. Ain't going to be me, boy. Oops. Wrong click. What's up? It's my face. It's my face. $320, you gonna take it? Got some sellers there at 320. EEIQ, you should be opening up in about 10 seconds. We're gonna try for this is kind of low volume, no? We're gonna let's watch this. Let's watch this EEIQ. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if it dips under VWAP, and let's see if we catch a bear trap. 320. There's 320. Go under. Go under. Go under. EEIQ is the one with no news? No, it had... It's ELAB that has the weak news. EEIQ has the education news. $141. I mean, she gotta get moving. She gotta get on her horse if she's gonna go. $325. All right, I think EEIQ might have some legs back in it. 44, there's 45, there's 46. Let's see if it breaks 50 Tyson for a push back to 159-ish. Oh, that was quick. Wasn't expecting that. Sellers at 50. Extremely small share size here. See if it goes. So strange. All right, issue being this candle here, 154. Let's see if it breaks 154. Nice pullback would be okay. All right, we're gonna get a front side VWAP bounce here on ELAB. I mean, MACD's starting to curl down, but it is starting to curl down. All right, let's try to shift focus here on EEIQ. Come on, give us a flash down. Um, I was a little hesitant on that last trade on EEIQ because we are range bound here. So, all right, ELAB. You're going to need to get on your horse, dude. You got 10 seconds. 3:05 is that 1 minute to make a new high there. 2, 1 new minute. That would be now. Nope. Fake. Hold down 131. EIQ. Trying for that VWAP bounce. Bounce that all on the flow. Give T some mo. Half off. The rest is going to be dumped under 140. Oh, there's a 1 minute to make a new high on ELAB. We'll see if that goes. Speeding up. Oh, missed it. Speeding up. He's heating up. Accuracy's been very nice today. We're batting 100%. Knock on that wooden desk, boy. We still need more of a cushion if we're going to raise share size. Need to bring a coffee maker here. My eyes are feeling. Whoa, ELAB, let's go. Nope. Is it going to be a fake? All right, lesson learned on this computer, though. Lesson learned on this computer. It's fine when the windows are like behind this window because they're not actually running. But when I have all these charts trying to work on the data at the same time, it is, clicking elsewhere, incredibly slow. Like drawing lines, incredibly slow. All right. See, click. That's a click. That's just, it shouldn't take that long. See if we break this downtrend here on EEIQ. It's that 50-day moving average. It's at 160 on EEIQ. Got to break 160 and she could cruise. EEIQ moved yesterday? No, that's pre-market. No, yeah, it was after hours yesterday. It went from 50 cents. It was at 50 cents pre-market yesterday. All right, getting close to this little downward trend line here. Got a little bit of a wedge. ELAB on the 1 minute to make a new high right about. He's 3-132. No love, no love. Bull and bear tug of war there on ELAB. All right, she gonna go? Tape seems kind. Yeah, I was gonna say tape seems kind of slow for that area. All right, revert or inverted hammer. Let's see if she goes. Nope, not yet. Got to be careful. Look at those. We got two big red candles, so I'm sure they're gonna probably happen again at some point. Five minutes in between each other on both of the candles. So the next one should, well, like, you know, in theory, if we're following that pattern, it would be like right now. Oh, big sellers. I didn't even see those big sellers. We got big seller at 153. I was too busy looking at the chart. Let's see if those sellers break at 153. There they are. Was cooking good looking. They're staying strong. Oh no. Ah, it broke and then reversed. That's a shame. There goes the accuracy. Accuracy's not batting 1,000 and no mo. Good take though. Good take, good take. Oh no, don't go now. Man, these sellers are just like every cent here on EEIQ. That's the move we was looking for. What we got to get through again? 60. Got to get through 60. 50-day moving average. There she blows. 60 gonna hold. 63, 62. $61, 60, back to 61. All right, let's take starter size here just to see if 60 holds. If it doesn't, no big deal. If it does, might add through 65. Three, two, one, new minute. There's 65, there's 67. Trying to take some profit. Oh, hit that button so long ago. That's Savagery 3000. Okay, good trade though. Take it. I want to see what it got me out at on that last trade. Oh, got me out at 64. Okay. All right. Guess there's nothing to complain about then. All right, we gonna get a pullback here? Nah, 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 nah. Ooh, interesting pullback. Let's see how far she goes. Held down 143. Right near that downward trend line. Remember those nasty red candles. We haven't seen one in a little while. I'm meant to make a new high again on ELAB. It's a tough trade in there. Let's check on my area relative to front side. So I tried to hump on that front side quick. Oh, I took that. Yeah, I mean, it's been decent. Alt down's now 144. Down here. When to make a new high is going to be over 60, but I mean, every penny seems to be a real grind on EEIQ. Oh. There's 60. See how hard the grind is this time. Keep it tight. If I see 59 on the bid, I'm hitting it. I'm throwing my hand in the air to show y'all hit it. When I will add over 65 this time, because that's another 1 minute to make a new high. There it goes. Added. Go test high of day, baby. Cut it. Trying to, at least. 3 cents. This is so dumb. EEIQ. Sheesh. All right, go ahead and break 168 and reset the game clock. Reset the game clock for these pullbacks. We don't really have anything that's going to cause us a problem until like 2, but it's great to steady grinding, steady mobbing. Still don't have a big enough cushion to actually take size. Is ELAB gonna curl? I'm getting a little bit of an ABCD over here. There she goes. It's a mini ABCD, but an ABCD nonetheless. 350. Where's ELAB at? There you are. Held down 146 on EEIQ. The red volume is coming in a little mo, a little mo. Held down 146. Gotta be careful. That's like here. ELAB, no love through 350. It's 51. I'm not going to take this 1 minute to make a new high here, although we are also forming a little W. See how long the W takes, though. Ugh. There we go. Now we got our halts showing us 1 minute to make a new high here. EEIQ. Is it going to do something crazy? These topping tails aren't making this very fun or attractive, ELAB. Okay, and these bottoming wicks are getting eaten up on EEIQ, but it's also just not going anywhere. ELAB. ELAB, 1 minute to make a new high. Nice move. Finally ate those wicks, but creating another one. We got filled at 52. Hold down's at 46. Half off. See if we can add through 60. Wouldn't that be supreme? Red candle. Trying to jump. Trying to jump. Okay. Oh, these candles are tough trading, Eli. What are you doing? Let's see if 162 gets eaten up when we push through 168. Sellers at 160. All time 143 for EEIQ. Kind of looking at some backside action. I'm not sure I love that. What if ELAB flashes down to 3? Wouldn't that be choice? Choice excellent. Right there at VWAP. You know, these tickers dead or what? These stocks are having trouble. Held down EIQ 150, or excuse me, 143. Down she blows, 143. Where you at? Oh, halt time moved down to 141. That'll be helpful because the daily level's at 144. I like the amount of attempts I'm taking today. It's been like stupid small share size on each trade, but it's getting me back in the right mindset of how quickly I need to be in and out of these trades. And if I just scale to size, then we chillin'. Okay. I think. Well, hold on. Let's see if 350 breaks. Not going to take that here because I'm not going to get chopped around. But I might take a panic flush here to VWAP on EEIQ. Get through 350 ELAB. There's 50, 49 on the bid, back to 50. Should we get chopped around or nah? I mean, it would be small enough size. Nah, don't talk yourself into it. Let's not get chopped around. Ha! And then it went under. Thank God. I'd have been mad. Back over, ping-ponging with 350. No love? Rejection? Come on down to 3. Ooh, wouldn't that be a treat? One minute to make a new high. Let's get through 60. Let's get through 60 and let's show some volume here, EEIQ. Pump up the volume, dance. Also ping pong at 60. Good volume here. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. That was a quick flash back and forth. Hands off the keys now. I'm gonna wait to see how this resolves itself. Yo, what's going on here? Na 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 na. Alright, it's playing difficult with every penny again, EEIQ is. Alright, took that panic flush there for just a little bit of cheddar. Here's VWAP. I don't know, it's pushing kind of hard towards that, isn't it, though? New minute. Yup. Here we go, EEIQ. You gotta push 68 though. If you push 68, what are we doing? Look at this curl. This curl's looking tasty. This curl's looking tasty. There's 68. This curl's looking tasty. What up, Miss Tasty? What up, Miss Tasty? What's up? 68, 69. Excuse me, sir. We did not see 74 on level 2 or time of sales. Fake news. That is fake news. Now you messed up our candle chart. Hold down 147 if it flashes down. You don't know you're beautiful. EEEEIQ. Alright, we've been trading for a little too long here. We're 14 minutes past my max profit window, generally speaking. Bear trap over here. Bear trap over 310. No, that's not 310. Why are we not moving, Mr. Candle? Mr. Elab Candle, why are you not moving? Yeah, 311. 9, 10. Oh, back to 7. Tough trading. I'm going to close it up for the day. I'm going to lock it in. Accuracy was on absolute point today. Mostly green trades. Very nice. Very nice. Small green, about $15, but that's all she wrote. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. Adios, muchachos.